Many families are searching for ways to stretch their grocery and gas dollars. Some are finding that nearby dollar-type stores are the answer.
As gas prices strain budgets and groceries are 12% more expensive than last year, consumers are turning to dollar stores.
What I'm seeing is that families are going to dollar stores to buy their groceries and then being more cost conscious in general.
Exactly. In this video, I shopped at the 99-cent only store and made this jambalaya meal for 4, buying all the ingredients needed for only $13. I'll show you everything I bought and how I made it next. So at the 99-cent only store, I picked up the jambalaya rice boxes for 99 cents each. I got 3 of them. Then got the Earl's Campbell's smoked sausage for $2.99. Everything is not 99 cents unfortunately. You can pick any flavor. Got a can of chicken broth. This one is 33% less sodium. A can of diced tomatoes. Got the roasted garlic flavor for $1.29. A bag of yellow onion, pre-diced for 99 cents. Grabbed the green bell pepper and red bell pepper for 59 cents each. Got a bag of garlic bulbs, although I only need 1 of them. And a bag of fresh parsley, just to give it some color. And here's everything I got, and what I paid individually to make this recipe. My total came out to $13.30. And now to the cooking. So first thing we'll do is prep and cut up all the ingredients. Starting with the bell peppers, I'll remove the stems and I'll cut them into bite-sized pieces. And do the same with the green pepper as well. Then we'll dice about 4 garlic cloves and chop up a handful of the fresh parsley. And then we'll slice up the sausage. To make the most of your meal, slice them as thin as you possibly can so you can get a bunch of sausage slices in this meal. You can even cut them in half to get more pieces, but I skipped that. Then add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a heated pot. On medium-high heat, add the sausage slices. And continually stir until fully cooked. Then add that to the side. In the same pot, using the same oil, or add another 2 tablespoons of olive oil, add in 1 cup of the pre-diced white onion. And then the sliced red and green bell peppers. Mix and cook until they become translucent. Then add in the diced garlic. Stir and let that garlic flavor sizzle in with the veggies for about a minute. Then add in the can of diced tomatoes. I remove some of the liquid out of the can and stir. Then add in the cooked sliced sausages. Give it another stir until all nicely combined. And then add in the full can of chicken broth. Stir again. And lastly, add in all of the 3 packets of the jambalaya rice. The packets contain the seasoning, so this is what will bring out the jambalaya flavor seasoning. Bring to high heat and give it a good mix. And once it starts boiling, put the cover on and reduce the heat to low. And let it sit there and cook for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the water evaporates. And there you have a jambalaya meal on a budget that serves up to 4 people for only $13. Now just sprinkle some of that fresh parsley over and it's ready to serve. I like to watch my budget sometimes, so maybe I'll make more budget-friendly recipes in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and aloha.